And Michael, thanks for that. We're going to turn back now to those water lines in Columbus that are bursting all across the city. Crews are working dozens of line breaks tonight, and those living nearby say they are concerned for their safety right now. 10 TV's Lacey Crisp is in West Columbus, hearing from one woman who says an ambulance was forced to turn around.
That's not snow removal, that's ice removal from a water main break that has trapped these residents in for days. Jennifer Barkley watches as crews finally remove the skate rink from in front of her house. She says the water main broke on Monday.
The road was completely flooded, the water was still running, and the street is completely impassable.
It looks like an ice rink.
It is, yeah, with big chunks of ice, and it's been terrible.
Icy enough, she had to call off work for 2 days because she couldn't get out of her driveway. She says what's scarier is who else couldn't get on her street, even after she called and emailed the city multiple times.
But this road is extremely impassable. A salt truck, a tow truck, and an ambulance have all gotten stuck, and everybody that goes down this road has to turn around and go the other way. Is 4.5 days an acceptable amount of time to fix a water main break like this?
Well, based on the temperatures and having over a foot of snow and the greatest snow event that we've had in 20 years, it's taking time. And that's why we have public service and power and water working together to make sure that we can deal with as many of these as possible. As I said, right now there's 60 right now throughout the city, and we're going to continue to work away on it.
Columbus Mayor Andrew Ginther says not only were the snow totals historic, but so has the number of water main breaks, 60 and counting at one time. There are another 30 possible reports of water main breaks.
So right now we have 6 to 7 crews of our own crews that are working. We also have 2 contractors that have multiple crews each that are working. And so each crew is trying to get about 2 leaks a day.
Barkley says it's a good thing Hiltonia Middle School was closed all week while the street was flooding, and hoping it's fixed by the time students return.
Well, yeah, this is the main street that people park on to pick up their kids. There would have been no way they could have even gotten down this road to get their kids. And the mayor says if you think you see a water main break, your best bet is to call 311. In Columbus, Lacey Crisp, 10 TV News.